Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to scale X and Y in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use the default cube, close up to view it, and then we can press N to show the transform panel. Make sure that we choose the tagged item, and then we can use the scale tool here. I want to move it up to 1 meter to show it clearly. And then if you want to scale in XY only, we can click and drag to select X and Y value. And then we can type, for example, we can type 0.5 and press enter. Or we can enlarge them. For example, we can press 1.5 to scale X and Y together. Alternative, we can use the Gizmo. We can select the scale here. We can show the Gizmo here, and then we can click on the blue plan and click and drag. So we can see that X and Y are scaling. The third way, we can use shortcuts. For example, we can select the object first, and then we can press S, and then Shift Z to lock in Z direction, and then we can move the cursor. We can scale X and Y. So this is how we can scale X and Y in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.